And this is Mailbag 6-ish. It's going to be one box, and then I'll give a quick show of how I keep track of all the parts I've been buying. And this one's an easy one to figure out. It's from Amazon. They didn't double, triple package this one, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's a soldering station. I saw this on Novell's. Yeah, I'll put the down here. Retro Lab, Essential Tools for an Electronics Lab. He has one of those affiliated links, so if you're actually going to buy one of these, maybe check out his channel. I did a quick search, and actually Amazon looked the best, but then I was biased in that I wanted it now. And it took 2 days to get here. Not bad. Please do not touch it. Okay. Oh, when hot. Let's see. What do we have in here? Okay, one solder sucker. I think I actually have one of these. So, come in handy. They're also handy for pulling traces right off. Some solder. Let's see. Tin and copper. Never tried that one before. I'll see how it works. I kind of like lead. And one. Oops, get inside the. There we go. One holder for solder. That's cute. Some tweezers. That will come in handy. Okay, just make sure this box is empty. Okay, don't need that here. Some spare tips, or different types of tips. And a free parts bag. Suspect that way. Tight fit. Probably I should take the plastic off before turning it on. And let's see here. And I've got power around here somewhere. More plastic. And it's the wrong type. Beep. Okay, how long is the power cord? Barely long enough. Okay. Obviously, I'm going to need another extension cord. So, on. Set the temperature. There should be some, oh, there's a button. Set it to centigrade. User manual, whoever reads those until something goes wrong. So, not too bad looking. Just grab some of that solder. That's going to be annoying. Oh, it actually screws onto the side. See how fast it heats up. Yeah, not too bad. Probably have the temperature too low. So one soldering iron. And you gotta be joking. That's it. No big label on it. Oh well. This is hopefully I'll be able to do a lot better surface mount soldering with this. Now, I'll give you a quick show of my setup. And if you're doing electronics, you're going to occasionally get hungry. Of course, make sure you wash your hands before you go grab your food. Nice mushroom, hot banana peppers, lettuce, and pickled beets. Very tasty. And before you think I'm a vegetarian nut, the steaks are in the fridge waiting for the barbecue. I have the normal parts bins. I like these tubs actually, because then you can fit oversized pieces in them and stick labels on. The white one sucks, and I think that's a technical term. More and bags of stuff, then tubs of stuff, then more containers. My parts sheets. I use OpenOffice, and essentially what I did was just set up a spreadsheet, put the names of more common things like miscellaneous and capacitors, rank the values, anything, more descriptions, voltages, type. If I've got a stock sheet, that's more for modules, anything special about them, package type, component number if I'm getting them from actually a reputable source like Newart or DigiKey, and actually I color code anything that comes from a reputable source. And of course, location. Everything out there is tagged with a location, so that you can see here, got some in kits, some are in case 2, some are in capacitor bag. Makes life actually a bit easier. Then chips, connectors, crystals, diodes, hardware, inductors. Again, these I got from DigiKey, so actually I have really good specs on them. Kits to play with. LEDs, got lots of LEDs. Even got some UVC ones, and I've actually tested those and they burn a banana quite nicely. Modules, proto boards, which I'm always adding more to. Relays, resistors, and if they're surface mount or through hole type. And again, lots of different locations. They're scattered all over the place. And I'm not going to keep on those. And then orders, just going to show this part of it. Basically, I put the date when I ordered it, who I ordered it from, what the part is, if I got a shipping number, lots ordered, price. I tag when I receive it. And then if I make any comments, I do the confirmation. A bit further over this way, I've got the actual seller. Don't want to show that because some of them are in red, and you don't want to be red on my spreadsheet because it means either I didn't get it or they sent the wrong thing. But so far with AliExpress, I've been pretty lucky. I have had very few problems. But that's about it. I originally also had where I was going to put the projects in here and put them along, and that way I could link with parts, etc. But became too lazy. So that's it. Have a good day. Bye.